Omwanjwa omurigereria karibu na industry channel ya Gusii TV tunyara gukomanya aliagwateka korwa ase ebinyoro korwa ase chisemo echiga chia Gusii ine momaete omongwana okorokwa majority of you momaete omongwana okorokwa ng'a High Court gose Dennis Oseko. There's a probability a few of you mwanya kumoigwa na mwanya komorora gose mwanya kwigurita buna erio. I'm one of them until ogokukwae the fact ekera kwete na nachite kama yanga there's somebody alikuwa anaitwa High Court. There's a probability nilikuwa namuona but sikuwa na pay attention sana igo ikera anyate kabaka gosire bugima na nachite konyora ng'a bantu bakumupost some are my friends, some are people na follow especially in Facebook. So this guy alikuwa sana sana katika upande wa TikTok. This guy was very vocal na bachiete nkuma as social media especially as mutandao o TikTok. Igo omungwana oyo ogosira kwae asirete ase enchira y'obototukano. Efamily yatebire gose efamily yae yatebire ogosira kwae okwabete cost negento pakoroka ng'a a complication yenkoro, a complication, heart complication.
Dennis Oseko, we want to make this statement that our brother Dennis is no more. He rested yesterday, and the plans are underway. As the days goes by, we will be updating on the progress. Again, we want the public to know that Dennis got heart complications that led to his death. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
They didn't clarify which heart complication was that, but the family about a heart complication na ndipaka sought for privacy. Lakini there are so many narratives outside here to explain ati kwae kwabete abagoteba ng'a okwae nkore nobotutukane usitariate ne family nkobisi ebintombire etaiti kobisirera efamily yae nja bete ko kwananga mbatagete privacy, and the privacy of somebody must be respected. However, inengana narorire ekunete abantu abange, and I think abantu bagari komanya ingi kiakorekanete ase omungwano. Dennis Oseko was High Court n'omuntu orenge vocal sana ase omutandao especially o TikTok. Dennis Oseko onyaje koba kawaka abantu mbalimbali gesiasa nomaete ng'a siasa ere igo onyarire koba gakusiria yani gakorwana gesiasa gose gakorwania abantu mbalimbali gesiasa nande omutandao TikTok n'omutandao gete onga omutandao gete ore style gete ore funny in its own way. So kuna watu wanasema kwamba okay, for us we know according to the family that this guy aliaga dunia kwa sababu gani? Kwa sababu ya heart failure, kwa sababu ya complication, not heart failure, sorry, kwa sababu ya complications chienkoro. But ukienda kudig zaidi unapata kwamba ati siasa nero nirima ati okukwa inkuwa lingi natural ndete mpabikire gintu kira ntanya tekoba kinko nyoa munyako bakoko tekerera ni muringori ni mweka but manya bantu nabarakakania magana puna emitanda ya social media yachire irinde konyora views. I don't know, you will be the judge. Was the death of this gentleman natural was egente kikere okwaye koso kwarenge manipulated? Karibu.
Ekabwata High Court ekamopanish bantu kumanyaka ungo panish kila kini ekamopanish ekabwata High Court kochira oyo koroko ento inga chibese tiadiru na donya toto wana kera post inga chibese tiadiru na donya toto wakara donya kali kisungusungu ngeta pa no mete kisungusungu dere down ekabwata High Court ekamopanish bantu kumanyaka ungo panish kila kini ekamopanish ekera ya mopanish same High Court agachakarika bondi kumatachi tiko kwanira donya lakini andite same agachakarika agateba obokurumia obu bado. So donya akaamua atatafuta marafiki zake, na marafiki zake ni hao wa TikTok tu wa TikTok marafiki zake, na baringe ko turaki high court firanaenda high court no nyama agotenga na ruarite high court takweti gorire bwa kawaida no nyama abantu bali baitete high court rasti ya wa kisungusungu bali baitete high court abo ba kisungusungu. Mmoja wao ndiye alijitokeza akasema, yule alisema kama taigo TV boko bilia muitete atajua vile atamfanyia hata kama sareli wanataka kiti bado. So abantu ba TikTok marafiki zake bakababa go turaki high court yo agatebi gwero monyene amangana yo kwanza liyare ngoboroso high court agatebi gu marafiki zako wanakuwinda umete boni toko twara wote ni enemies. Kuna mmoja anaweza kuibia siri, so high court alikuwa anachua donya ametuma watu na wale marafiki wenye walikuwa na wao ndani hadi kwa bwana high court na tebete nana ki ase ega tukiagereta karua soboroso. Kuna watu pia kwa oboroso wenye ni marafiki zake wanamuwinda wametu
kwana joy you are very safe when you are in this part.
Injegene ngaya barangora no inje ninge korona tina maimuna nje mondiki mokonyara narura bwana ekende kiagerete koni haiko dia karua soboroso alikuwa amesema kuna watu pia wako kwa oboroso wanatumikwa na donya kumtafuta. Aliongea yeye mwenyewe korwabu matuko make sikuisha ekararua soboroso akawa anaingia platform zingine, lakini hakukuwa anaenda huko sana. Akaikaa sekaratika gari songa akaika akataka koteba nande kende kinga kete testa gari. Kuna siku hata haiko alikuwa amesema yeye mwenyewe ekararua soboroso batakire komoliki bagoteba anaingia na sudo hata tuweke tu na sudo. Baada wakamtafuta tu na hiyo sudo, wakatafuta sudo. Mara ya kwanza ilikuwa store na Nyamira Express, so hawakumpata ni yeye Nyamira Express, wakaachana na yeye. Wakaanza kutafuta, ndio ile wakati ilifika songa akasema kuna mtu atakufa mwezi wa 8. Alikuwa ameshasema hiyo kitu. Sasa kile kwa kukumbuka hizo vitu.
Alisema aje kwa Joy?
Iga debete iga. Onge mokora kwanza kuna siku alikuwa ameshasema mara ya kwanza eti haiko tinojo kubobe. Alikuwa amemsema hivyo, hiyo ni kitu ya kwanza. Wiki haikuisha ndiye akasema mwezi wa 8 kuna mtu atakufa. Aliongea na hata unaona kwa nini? Hiyo kitu Peter Kioi alikuwa amepost. Yeah. Peter Kioi alipost hiyo kitu vile songa alisema eti haiko tinojo kubobe. Mpaka Peter Kioi akauliza watu wenye walikuwa kwa ref yake, hiyo inamaanisha nini? Ndio watu wakaandika comment section wakamwambia alikuwa anasema haiko tutakufa vibaya.
Okay. Esi bana kor. Abu asomo kungu ye ngatugwa matikukuan.
Oma kungu ena tebete omugako ena matebeti ngoligi gwali. Bibi yake alisema oma kungu ene nero bibi yake. Na tebete mugako yeta kweti kifo ya kawaida, hata kuna ile hata noisa kupatia message ile alikete Facebook staga alisi ya kawaida. So alikuwa ameshasema kuna watu wametumwa wamtafute. Bibi yake alisema watu walikuwa wameshatumwa wamtafute.
Mnakimbia mpaka hapo kwa hiyo post mnaangalia. Wengine mnakaa tu kusikiza nini songa anaongea hata kutembea. Akili iko TikTok peke yake, mambo ni mingi.
TikTok yenye kama wechwara kwa itwe. Wa ikanali oli kama imuno akonye.
Nga mokaya gateba, nga kirorabo.
Aiko dinamo tebeti, abantu mbatomire ko TikTok mbake taoni bamoite. Lakini mokaya gateba alikuwa amesema hatakuwa anakula kwa chakula kwa mahoteli yoyote.
Sorry kumugusi uminto ana mangana yo mtandao ana mangana atali verified so ati na kabugate obobisa na bana siasa gete omwana siasa abu bwatoirwe I think no mugumani rep Okisi County ati na bausikanite na makweli yo mungwano. In fact it's a kutoka nga egente kneken, then there's no politicians who is holy. There's none. Iko kirwe kia aba na siasa koranga ni kibwato kuragiriwe sterigete. Yani nga you can do anything that these guys don't value obogima. No chope gose na ki nga kiukare siasa kirwe kia siasa koranga ngikare na mangana kete. Isa kutoka nga nekene, but we can't rely on this information. This is social media. People can say anything, but where there is smoke, there is fire. We are investigating this information Personally try to investigate. Me, see it and investigate because I know this gentleman. See it and investigate because I know this family. The only thing I'm going to investigate is these allegations that umwanasiasa nale involved. Yani ndete kwa kinga nekenenga umwanasiasa especially particularly umwanasiasa uyu bwato iruga nale involved in any way. Ati na kanete sijui last year akakana sungusungu I don't know. Ati bakacha bakamungwani boko bakamuchiwata bakamugutoria bakamungesa bakamuaka bakamuchuchutia boko nga because onyare ko bakakumwatura bubi ono nari involved no wait because in Kenya currently abana siasa twanyorire nga abari involved na mangana mange kabisa wano mwana siasa bobe ako gutungura maiso marore. Yes, kuna wanasiasa wengi including the top leadership, you get me, ati bako gutungura kabisa but rende nona abande the head of this administration bagoita abasa maiso marore. That is also murder, that is also okuno wito omondo. But I'm just investigating particularly this Kisii politician nale involved in any way. But I don't know nki wase uratebe igoro yo ugukwa kwa mwana uyo. A lot has been said na inde na chika koko ura na chika koko kwanera. I'm investigating the old thing nya koba inkomanya na nki kegenderete igo ime chichinse mechi cha wusi
kurera mone kero munta kure ne kerale moyo okumurwani isik. You know, it is something that I will speak right now. Umuntu kera kure musike ne kerale moyo musiki kunya to kunyara ku musika kore bintu byao, you know. Umuntu otanya okurama tika kumura unagenda malisi. She's my friend and I was to alikura ruani siki and we are friends. Nkogenda na mutapuli screen ya kera koda manase na to mabantu machina chiara murama, you know. That is the content. But now the context here ekero konyoru umuntu okumubangira amabe. Unabona papa ndi virus yesumerie kumurigi bande sumeri nero in Kisii town ekumurigi in every hotel esumerie kuri papa and virus. Nweke umentora members esumerie kuri papa and virus
mangana na manke mucho mugereri mangana na mange alema mangana na mange.
I'll repeat the same statement I said yesterday. Kumurigi bande sumeri nero in Kisii town ekumurigi in every hotel esumerie kuri papa and virus. Nweke umentora members esumerie kuri papa and virus I said last time. Bado iko inamtafuta. Ekero bontu winya kwa nilegento mwara getegera why. Tele temo tegera script which mo tebina ki. The reason of this script nink. Na ndiko bare trande etea. Omwana minto I court abekira there. That atakufa. Na ndiko bare trande crap kende. Abantu bari ngasigete bari gotebanga omutienyo yona na kuiko monta ku TikTok. Sediments in whatever ngoti kokwana neba kori omuriri o I court koro moiri ongo. Ntaje tote kerama ngana bontu wini yako chukwana. Ni maika most of the people. Na wabara kumi bontu wini na kia kinia omuntu uyo ningu. I am whom I am because I speak the truth. In this crib, ego teba I court takete kuitamalia na asuga. Why? Listen. I court used to campaign for Doris Donya Toto, kibali na Senator Asuga, kibali na Maria accountability. Ekero Senator Asuga, women rep ya Kisii County, ya teba ni break amangana urambo ulimambi na nengote. I got used to be a boyfriend and I knew it used. Ya Maria accountability. Ekabobo asama, kati ya basacha babere, bagru no mukungo yomo. Unanisikiza?
So iko mukungu na ali
Bona kero kuigu eklibu ekena ke High Court abangete goita.
so there's
Kama iko na matana ndimo High Court akarika's Facebook account yaye omutenyo kale 17 akarete scandal ya Kisii County chekibeza cyari yetu cyebirama ne women rep ya Kisii County kibeza ekyo cyabige tu account ya Maria accountability Maria akachabe ko akabwatu na kyabo agotwara kibeza ekyo and good people wajakora urucho muntu bwo so please help me in blocking that person because I don't need that. If you see people like Donatella and other people, just block them. They are of no use in my platform. Now, ekai kotiarika ibo akarigeri gwebi bago ya sungu ya town bakamwakebira. Listen, manganango kwana ntakete na wadama na inwezi mwatakera bwana manganango kwana Maria accountability akabwa akabekwa jela akarigeri lawyer I think into your hold huge amount of money see county see vilema vyari koyebwa nere ubate account eko chiba see vilema ini bokirango asari goes to waka akali wakora gasi manganangu kwana takite munya bwati ngora mumanya kiye kuri yekende sabari yakanje takite munya bwati motegerere members in the house High Court akaruani bwesegi n'abantu bali getigo no mu women rep Kisii County High Court akakani akiri takwara mangana Kisii County kosa leo mu women rep ilienda members in the house
boss anga mbele repeating yourself.
Imomo tinyo yuna neturi kwa ya muda atara ku TikTok. Nari songo msoto usai. Nitawawekea hiyo clip. Ujire isi komono. Ukwani lekera High Court ari nyagitari akoleru operation. Ntangani. Ukwani lega in the statement. High Court tiemboka ngo kworo go kokobe. High Court tiemboka ngo kwore okobe. That is the statement. Don't know go se ngoringa se live yo. Ngo babekande clip yo. Ekeruru muntu mungani okotegera statement. Anga que toda que clip ngora. Oh, true she said. True she said. Thank you. Kuna watu walikuwa. Aliambia High Court mboke yubu atengo kworo gokoko. Ukobe sana. He has not been sick. Hata siku moja. High Court tanya kurwa. There is yourself. Tabu ati any healthy problem. Tabu ati any healthy complication yaso muberoi. Nande mwanya komora karuale tenga bona bekira machi na gitari.
Anyway, acha niachie the story you got because I see it's a very long story, repetition, you got an area. So, and I want this video to be as short as possible. So, iko Maigule, Mukungu, Osumu Swati, a female not involved in this story. But in most cases, eke korabune ke ose ngana bune ya kolekanine. In most cases, Mukungu ose female ikawe involved. Number 2, there's involvement ya umwana siasa Kisii County, particularly women rep. Ati mwana oyo omukwana kale obe como salariale ngomo italege siasa na como kiria ose kwa avoid kueneza propaganda, kwa void, kuharibia mwanasiasa jina. Mwanasiasa had to do something. Atharia manani aina mang'ana ng'endete gutuka korwa una amakweli omungwano korunga high court, somebody whom I did know, to be very honest, una anyate koba kagotokea. The main reason nangotebi ngo investigate amakweli aya ni erieta lio mwanasiasa oyu tukagete nga kagoita nga monyo liabege koba involved ngentete inyore ekene nga ne. Is it true that this politician nare involved in any way ase ogokwa kumungwano yo okorokunga high court ose Dennis Oseko ose ne chi propaganda cha social media na ba caution social media, anything can happen. The sources zenye nimepata hizo information, those are unverified sources, so we can't rely on them. That is why personally I'm going to be on the ground nyakoba kinkoba bwateria ingane asi obwagale, lakini ntebega omungwana oyo onyale koba kagositobogima no mungwana ole very young obogima negesicha kiekwa mambia mugoroba kia aroroka igo ekera tuli asi obuikwense tiga tuteme kabisa kokora ayare amaya na tiga tuteme kabisa obugima obo tubuire style eri turagokere n'abaminto baragokere obugima obo tiga tutige abo this life is very short. Abantu mbale bakatenga the life is very short. Obugima ntoma etichinga ke torarwo obuikwense tiga toru obuikwense ye totigete an impact eyo elanya koba ke koba failed n'abantu bonse kyagala ntoma eti ekitwali netu kabisa no monguru neringa ntoma eti chinsa ne etariki igo abana ba minto tiga nande mbatebinga nimbabwateri omugano oyo nande nincha ni nyale koba bekera amangana kyoleri una are but ya sebono tiga let's take the side of the family said complication yenkoro from the abantu background, some of them especially asalingi as a presence ya bete failed, especially in social media abagotanga mwanyabantu na bete involved asi okukwae ne ekeningeki. I don't know eki or one, probably you might have some information, you might verify this information naburata ke go verify this information ose no but additional information tikatomerane as a comment section elinde ontebie ngaki oroche ngane bunere. Until then ninko batere story yons tomerane as a video el next el italiane esi bon ne yegusi TV nesau yue.